Hello everyone. In this video, we'll see how we can use Retry scope. Before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, and share to get me motivated. So let's start with the today's topic. Okay. So let me show you an example first, so that it will be easier for you to understand. Let's create a simple process to search images on Google. So I've opened a project here. Let's first create a simple process. So I'm from the activities, I'm just taking a let's open the Chrome first. This is my Chrome window which I want to use to search the images. Now let's take a click activity to click on the images label. Right, let's first show it the window, the Chrome window, right? And then let's modify the timeout so it does not take much time to execute the process, right? And we have to click on images. So let me show it the images label, right? Let's confirm it. So it will click on images. Then what will happen? Then we have to type on this text box. So take a type into activity. And just select this text box. And then here we have to type. So from activity pan, just take the type into activity. Sorry, this is the type. So what we have to type? Let's type here Facebook, right? So it will search images for Facebook. Then we have to click this search button. So for that, drag and drop this click activity. This is the button. Okay. And one more thing is, if the Windows is not open, I don't want to, I don't want automation to open it. So here in the open, just select never. And here in the close, just select never. So it does not close it. Save everything. Let's see once if it is running. Run it. So you see we got an exception that it did not find a particular selector. So let's try to solve this problem. Let's first close it and see where exactly we are getting this error. So we will run it in debug mode to see where we have the error. So let's run it first in debug mode to see where we have the error, right? So why we got the error? Because in the property window, we have set open as never, right? And we were on some other page of the of the browser, Chrome browser. So that's why it could not find the images. So such types of error you will get in your processes, right? I've done it intentionally to show you how we get the exceptions, right? So what we have to do now is we have to what we want is we want to retry this whole uh, workflow, so that if it is not able to search an image first time, in second time it will search, right? So let's come to this activity pane and select here retry scope. Okay, you will see here some properties of it. The first one is number of retries, how many times you want to retry it before throwing the exception. Second is retry interval. Between each retry, what interval you want. It could be 5 seconds, 10 seconds. So what it will do, it will try, for example, if you are setting here 5, so it will retry 5 times. And if you are setting the interval, for example, let's see what it takes. It takes the time span. So, okay, so let's say 0 hours and 0 minutes. I want to try in every 2 seconds. So we'll keep here 2, right? Now we have to drag and drop all our activities inside the section. This is the place where you will be keeping your activities which you want to retry. Okay. At the last of this retry block, you will see a condition block. So here you can put a condition. So it will retry these activities until this condition is not true or an exception is thrown. For example, right now here we have said that we want to retry 5 times and the retry interval is 2 seconds. If it is not able to process these whole activities 5 times, it will throw an exception, right? And the second thing is, in the condition block we can put a condition which it will be checking. If it is true, it will come out from the this loop. So you can say it is a kind of do while loop, right? So here we can keep the activities which will give you a true or false, right? So let me take this check app state activity here, right? And let's check here. Mm, let's check if this we have come here, right? Because when you are on this Google page, that label is not there, right? So let's see if we have come here. Let's see the books here. Okay, so here you have to select the element. Let me select this books. So until it will not come to books, it will keep on retrying, right? Let me select it. Confirm. And as as the output of this one, you can see that the result is a boolean, so it will give you true or false. So until it is not true, it will be retrying until the max retry reached. So max is 5, right? And here to make us easy, let me add a log, so that we'll be able to know that it is trying to search the images. Let's keep it info, and let's say here searching images, right? Let's save everything. So now to test it, what I will do is I will run it, and in between I will close the Chrome window so that it will not be able to do this thing. It will throw the exception. So what it will do is it will retry this whole step which is inside this action block, right? That is the purpose of retry. So as per the properties we have set, it will retry 5 times. Okay. So I'm just running the process from here, and it will open, and I will close it immediately so that it will not be able to find the element. Then it will retry again. See, it is retrying. Again, I'm closing. It will retry until the 5 times or until that particular condition is not met, which is there in condition block, right? 3 times happened, right? Now 4 times I will let it do the thing. So it will find the element and then it will close there. It will complete there, right? So it will now find the element which we have set, right? It found the element and then it closes here. So you see it was trying searching images, then it tries second time, then third time, fourth time. In fifth time, it is able to search the images and it got closed there. Okay. So this is how we can use the retry scope. That's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.